In this video, I will show you how to install the Adobe AIR SDK in Windows 10. First, search for Adobe AIR and press Enter. Find the Harman International website and open it. The link will be provided in the video description. Go to the Download AIR SDK tab. Accept the terms and conditions. Now, download the AIR SDK for Windows. The file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder and locate the downloaded file. Extract the zip file. Now, copy the extracted folder. Open this PC and then open the C drive. Paste the folder here. Open the AIR SDK folder. Then open the bin folder. Now copy the folder path from the address bar. Next, search for environment variables in Windows. Open Edit the System Environment Variables. Go to the Advanced tab. Click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, select Path. Click the Edit button. Then click New. Paste the copied path here. Finally, click OK to save the changes. I hope this video helped you install the Adobe AIR SDK successfully. Thanks for watching.